Hi friends, you are watching EduHub channel. I hope all of you want to know the best problems by which you can learn the total concept. Problems makes us learn everything, and so now let us start solving problems without wasting time. Now when we see the first question, the electric field in a region is radially outward and at a point it is given by E is equals to 250 R. That is given E is equals to 250 R volt per meter, and R is the distance from the point from origin. Calculate the charge contained in a sphere of radius R is equals to 20 centimeters, 20 into 10 power minus 2 meters, centered at origin. Okay, now let us draw a circle. Let us consider Qn as the charge inside the sphere. Now by Gauss law, flux is equals to Q in divided by epsilon. Flux is E into A is equals to Q in divided by epsilon, where they given E is equals to 250 R and area we know as 4 pi R square. As it is a sphere, so 4 pi R square 250 into 20 into 10 power minus 2 into 4 into pi into R square, 20 into 10 power minus 2 whole square is equals to Q in by epsilon naught. Now Q in is equals to 250 into 20 into 10 power minus 2 into 4 into pi into 20 into 10 power minus 2 whole square into epsilon naught. Now when we see the values of these all, and the value comes out to be Q in is equals to 2.22 into 10 power minus 10 coulombs. So our option is C. Now let us see second question. An electron is projected as in the figure with kinetic energy K. Given kinetic energy is equals to K, half mv square is equals to K. So V is equals to that is V is equals to under root 2K by m. Let us read the further question. At an angle theta is equals to 45 between the two charged plates, the magnitude of the electric field so that the electron just fails to strike the upper plate should be greater than. So as they given theta is equals to 45 degrees and ask us the magnitude of electric field E. So now as maximum the possible distance for that electron is D and electric field is E between the plates. So acceleration due to gravity, here our acceleration will be A is equals to QE by m. As our acceleration is QE by m, now as we know that H max is equals to u square sine square theta divided by 2g, then here g is A, acceleration is equals to v square, that is under root 2k by m whole square into 1 by 2 divided by 2a. Now H max, that is D, is equals to 2k by m into 1 by 2 divided by 2 into A, that is QE by m. So E is equals to K by 2QD. So option C will be the right answer. Now let us see the third question. 3-point charges 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb and 3 coulomb are placed at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side 1 meter. That is 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb are placed like this. Now let us continue the question. The work required to move these charges to the corners of smaller equilateral triangle of side 0.5 meters in two different ways, as in figure A, as in figure B, are WA and WB. Then, so now when we see figure A, it is observed like this. This is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, and this is 0.5 meter each side equilateral triangle. Now first let us calculate work done A is equals to, as we know that we can calculate W external is equals to delta U. So WA is equals to delta U is equals to UF minus UI, that is final potential energy minus initial potential energy. Initial final potential energy is 2, 1, 3. So K Q1 Q2 divided by R. K into 2 into 3 divided by 1 plus, that is potential energy between 2 and 3 coulombs. Now 2 and 1 coulomb, and last 3 and 1 coulomb we have to calculate. 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus K into 1 into 3 divided by 1. It's 11K. That is, this is 11K. And U initial. This is U initial. Now U final is equals to K into 2 into 3 divided by 0.5 plus K into 2 into 1 divided by 0.5 plus K into 1 into 3 divided by 0.5. This will be 22K. So work done A is equals to 11K. That is 22K minus 11K is equals to 11K. Now in the same way, for figure B, this is 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb. This will let us take it as B dash, C dash, final positions. Now in the same way, for this also, UI is equals to initial potential energy is equals to same, that will be same. So K into 2 into 3 plus K into 2 into 1 divided by 1 divided by 1 plus K into 1. is equals to 11k, and again final potential energy is equals to k into 2 into 3 divided by 0.5 plus k into 2 into 3 divided by 0.5 plus k into 1 into 2 into 1 0.5 k into 1 into 3 divided by 0.5 is equals to 22k. WB is equals to 11k. So WA is equals to W. Actually, without calculating only, we can directly say the relation between work done in figure A and figure B because the distances are same. When we see the distances, here 2 to 3 1 meter, 2 to 1 1 meter, 1 to 3 1 meter. Here also in the initial case 2 to 1 1 meter, 2 1 to 3 1 meter and 2 to 3 1 meter, and in final positions also same. So directly we can say without any calculations work done in A is equals to work done in B. So that's all for today. If you liked my video, please share, like and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.